I'm going to show you how to copy any bio on Instagram. So to do that, open up Instagram and find the profile you want to copy the bio from. So let's say I want to copy from this one. Now, as you can see, you can just long hold and copy it, but what you want to do is take a screenshot, go to photos, and then long hold, highlight it, copy, and if I go here, I paste it, as you can see, the bio was copied successfully. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.